In this video, I will show you how to download image from Google Keep. First, open up Google Keep. If you are using a desktop like me, just head over to keep.google.com and log into your Google account. Once you're in, scroll through your notes and find any note that has a photo you want to save. Click on that note to open it up fully. Next, simply right-click on the image inside the note. A menu will pop up. From there, click on Save Image As. Your file manager window will open and you will be asked where you want to save the image on your computer. Choose the folder you want, maybe your pictures folder or a special folder for your notes, and then type in a name for the image. Make sure the file type is set to JPEG or the format you prefer, then click Save. And that's how to download image from Google Keep.